Academy doing a remarkable work, and then the sponsors for this event, because they are also very important. PPF, Nadir Gulbri Sahab is sitting here, UN Women, OGDCL, all of you have done a remarkable work. And when I was sitting there and listening to the worthy speakers, one thing is very clear, that this is the time for Pakistan to rise, because Pakistan is reclaiming its place at the world, in the world, and we are moving forward in a very positive manner, and we want to advance. And this is the time for our youth and women to rise, because you see that I was in the cabinet of now Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif. When he was Chief Minister, I was with him, and we started women empowerment projects back then in Punjab, and we are proud of the fact that we are the ones who started these projects in Punjab. And then you see that message is very clear of Prime Minister Youth Program. This is empowering youth, especially women, is central to Pakistan's economic future, because whenever we sit together and we see that what is happening around the world, Indonesia, when they gave 50% share to women, we see a 4% rise in their GDP. So this is an example before us, and we have to follow in those steps. And for that, what we are doing here is that we have, by the grace of Allah, Pakistan's very first national youth employment policy. It has been approved by cabinet, and we are going to have a launch pretty soon. And as per that national youth employment policy, minimum of 35% women will be part of labor force every year. So we are working on it. And then in Prime Minister Youth Agriculture and Business Loan, we have allocated quota of 25% for women all across Pakistan. And we are seeing some real wonderful developments in Punjab, Sindh, but unfortunately in other provinces we are lagging behind. And this year what we have done is that we are now forming facilitation centers, especially for women, to collaborate, to come there and to build.
मनाज़र इस वक्त आप देख रहे हैं। चेयरमैन वज़ीर आज़म यूथ प्रोग्राम राना मशहूद अहमद ख़ान इस्लामाबाद में सेमिनार से ख़िताब कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि पाकिस्तान आज आलमी उफ़क़ पर तरक्की कर रहा है। उनका मज़ीद कहना था कि नौजवान पाकिस्तान का मुस्तक़बिल हैं, उन्हें बाइख्तियार बनाना ज़रूरी है।